So hi everyone, this is Pooja and welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be completely in English actually. So whenever we start a painting, start a portrait, anything, we have to start with simplification, right? So how we can simplify an complex object or complex shape, we will discuss in this video, and this video is going to be completely raw video. Okay, and this will be like a easy method, so you can just practice your daily exercises and how you can simplify your like complex shapes and basic shape using basic shape. So this is going to be completely like that. Also, if you have any kind of doubt and if you want to learn more about this complete process, and if you want to learn step by step how you can start your artwork and how you can like if you are a completely beginner, then I'm sharing a complete classes and complete tutorials, step by step lessons on Skillshare. So I will put a link in the description, so you can check on like Skillshare. You can go sign up for that, and then you can watch complete tutorials also. Okay, so let's get to the video. So now if you can draw a circle and a square, then you can draw anything. And today we will start sketching real world object using basic shapes like circle, square, rectangle, at all. And this is going to be a simplification class. Okay, we will simplify complex objects and normal objects also, so that you can understand these basically. So here I'm going to use this as an example. Okay, and yeah, let me fix the camera also so that it will be okay. So now this will be the thing, and here we will gonna use this as our reference. And you can see here I can see the rectangle. Okay, and here also I can see the rectangle, a little bit circle. So we will simplify this basically, and we will start from this, as I told you to make straight lines also, right? So we will make straight lines. Let me use a darker pencil. I'm using a 2B pencil over here, so that like it will give me a darker result. Okay, now straight lines. I need to check like how much length it has, like this, and then almost half. So this and almost half, like this. Okay, and from here, don't worry about the messy lines, we will erase them later with the help of eraser. Like it can be different for you because I'm looking at this bottle from a different angle, so that can be a different issue with you also. Right now I'm just simplifying it with a straight lines also, only with the straight lines. I'm not adding any curve or circle, just I'm using straight lines. Like this. Okay, so this is a roughly example, and if we want to do more now, then we can simplify this, and we can also like right now this is just a symmetric shape. Okay, this is the proportion of everyday item. Like if I need to switch something else, then like bottle or something. Okay, so this is basically this shape. Okay, this is just a roughly representation of how you can break your things, like how you can break down these complex shapes into a basic shape. So this is just a rectangle, and here it's also a rectangle. This is a roughly representation. If I want this to look more beautiful, more similar to our objects, so then we have to give time. Okay, like we need to refine this again and again, we need to practice this again and again. Right now I'm showing you just a roughly representation because you need to understand how you can break down these shapes, and you have to do at least 10 shapes daily. Practice 10 shapes, these kind of shapes roughly daily, on a daily basis, because I'll show you how you can make them perfect. Simple, let's use with this shape. Okay, so now I'm gonna erase this and I will refine this. Make it a little bit lighter. Okay, so for this you have to like observe your reference a lot. Add a little bit curves. I am adding curves over here, and this is not going to be our final product. Also we will refine this again and again. Since from this side this is circular, so I will use like this, and similar way if you have done your practice now, then it will be easy for you to make straight lines like this. Otherwise it will be difficult for you. I'm increasing length of this top part also so that it can give me area here. Okay, so this is a rough representation of a refined version. Okay, now we can do more work over here, we can add more details over here, so that it will give you a perfect resemblance. Okay, this is how you can define your objects, how you can draw your objects. Okay, so this is going to be a complete process here, and you have to use the same technique, whether you can use circles, whether you can use rectangles, square, and other shapes. Like I have done here, I used rectangle over here, this rectangle, and in the first one also I used here rectangle. So your homework is going to be like, you have to repeat this process, repeat this exercise at least 5 times. Like at least draw one this kind of shape daily, on a daily basis, so that you will get good enough to do the next exercises also. So in next class we will do some sketching part also, and we will refine those sketches also. We will refine those and better than this. So I hope you learned something new from this video, and let's continue in our next chapter.